The final worked example for creating objects in Java with subgoal labels. Here are the subgoal labels for creating an object. In this worked example, we want to create an object of the Widget class that will initially hold 42. Note that Widget is a made-up class and you will not find it in the Java implementation. Subgoal 1 says to declare a variable of the appropriate class data type. The class data type is Widget. So we have Widget followed by an identifier, in this case alpha. Subgoal 2 says to assign to that variable the keyword new followed by the class name followed by open and close parentheses. So here we have alpha is assigned the value new widget. Subgoal 3 says to determine whether parameters are appropriate by looking at the API. Here's the API for the made-up widget class to construct an instance. There are two constructors. One, which is the default constructor that creates an empty widget object, or a second one that has one parameter, an integer, that creates a widget object with an initial value. That's the one that we'll choose. In this case, the number of parameters that we need is 1, because there's one pair of words between the parentheses, and the data type of that parameter is int. So the final answer becomes widget alpha is assigned the value new widget and 42. Notice in this case we have combined subgoal 1 and subgoal 2 along with subgoal 3. We have the declaration, widget alpha, along with the assignment statement is assigned new widget, and the parameter in this case is the value 42. That is the end of this worked example.